Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this no makeup look. You just have to have 5 minutes and 5 products. Let's start. If you are loving these videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hope I'll see you with more videos. This is my before phase without any makeup. I applied little bit of moisturizer and then little bit of lip balm before starting this video. Now take any tinted moisturizer and then apply it under your eyes and around your mouth, so that that's the only place will have so much of dark or pigmentation, and make sure you evening it properly. And now take any puff and even everything furthermore proper. Okay, this makes your base look beautiful. Now take any brow gel and apply it and brush it upward direction. Don't apply too much. That's how you can define. Now take any lip liner, apply it to your eyes, tight line it, and then your lips. Line it properly. You can see how beautiful it is. Now take any blush to your cheeks and to your eyes. This is the only color we're gonna apply to your face. And dab it properly. And now take any compact powder and then make sure you do it like this so that it looks natural. Now take any tinted lip balm and apply it. Now it's time for the mascara. Apply it towards your upper lashes and lower lashes. Do not forget your lower lashes. So this is my final look. This is my happy dance because I'm loving it. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's a short one, but see you with a good one later. Thank you.